What the heck's my face? Are you lost, buddy? No, not. You stuck now, little buddy. Hey, this is the end of your life, but it's all your fault. You're a dumb brother, dude. It's all your fault what you did today. You what? What's that noise? Cousin, what's the matter? You're scared of something? Oh. What's going on? Hi, buddy. It's Friday. Peace.